Good morning, babes. Welcome back to my channel. Um, Today, you guys know about 2 days ago I started this weight gain journey all over again, and I promise I'm gonna be consistent with it this time. I'm not gonna let myself lose weight, but I kind of just want to show you guys what the fuck I look like, honestly, right now, because I'm so skinny. So this is this ass. You feel me? This is me now. This is definitely me right now. And I'm not like too small. I'm like 135, but 145, 150 is literally my ideal weight, and that's where I'm trying to get to because that's how my man likes me. Period. And that's how I also like myself. I feel like I'm too skinny right now. And I can just juicy it up a little bit. So yeah, today I'm going to do, I don't want to call it a meal prep, but I can say meal plan because I'm not really prepping the meal. I'm about to cook this shit, but I woke up and I had a taste for grilled chicken, and I'm about to make grilled chicken and eggs because, you know, my man, he told me I need to eat a pound of chicken a day to get thick, and I think that's a little bit excessive, but I am going to start trying to eat chicken either with my breakfast or with my dinner or with my lunch, like in one of the meals. And so I'm gonna make some grilled chicken on the stove top, and I'm about to show you guys how I do it. Some grilled chicken, some eggs, and some fruit maybe, I guess. I don't know. But I'm about to show you guys how I do it. So let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so I got me some chicken tenders from Walmart, and then I got my seasoning as well. I got my seasoning salt, my Creole seasoning, my lemon pepper, my garlic powder. I don't put that much seasoning. I don't like salty food. Um, so yeah, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to heat this skillet up. They say use a cast iron skillet, but ain't nobody got all that shit. And I'm going to season my chicken while that's heating up. And since it's breakfast, I'm only gonna make like 2 chicken tenders. And I'm gonna put the rest of this up. How's it going? Cooperate. I hate plastic wrap sometimes because it be acting all dumb and shit. I might cook the rest of this later. Y'all, don't forget to wash y'all damn chicken off because I don't know who needs to hear that, but don't forget to wash y'all damn chicken off. Don't be a nasty bitch. I usually only season one side of my chicken because I'm really heavy-handed with seasoning salt. So I usually only season like one side of the chicken with the actual seasoning salt, and that's because all the other seasonings have salt in it too, and so I don't want to over season. Um, I might add the lemon pepper at the end instead of cooking it into the chicken. I usually do that when I fry it. I add it at the end, so I'm gonna do it that time. This time too. And then red peppers for spiciness. I put red peppers on like everything. I'm gonna flip the chicken and season the other side as well. We put garlic powder, a little bit of the Creole, and a little bit of the red peppers. I know the quality of this video probably is trash, but my granddaddy stole cord to my camera for his damn and used it for his GPS. So now I have to buy a new one because this ass took it all the way back to Michigan. So, all right. So I heated the skillet. It's been heated up for like 2-3 minutes now, and I'm going to lower the heat. You see me? And I'm gonna add some vegetable oil to it so I can fry the chicken. Now you probably want to stand back a little bit and pour it so it don't motherfucking pop your ass, but pour the vegetable oil in it. Oh, it didn't pop me. That's cool. Okay. And then you really just take the chicken. So you can grill your motherfucking shit. So, I would say about 10 minutes on both sides, but you want to gauge it yourself, and then turn the fire down. You want to gauge it yourself because you want to make sure the chicken is cooked. So I don't want to tell you 10 minutes and then it be cooked. You need to make sure you check it. So I'm going to show you all what it look like in the skillet. Give me a second. Just put the chicken in the skillet, and this is what it looks like starting off. And then as I cook it and flip it and show you guys what the finished side look like, I'll come back and record. Make sure your heat is low. You don't want high heat. You don't want this to cook high because you want it to cook all the way through and not just cook on the outside. So, yeah. So I did come in and flip the chicken after about 8 minutes. I didn't wait the full 10 minutes, but I did come in and flip the chicken. So now I was grilling on the other side. I just didn't want it to brown too much. Because appearance is everything to me. So yeah, I might flip it and just keep flipping it until I feel like it's cooked all the way through. But I know it's not finished cooking now because the other side still has to finish cooking. So yeah, you guys, my food, and let me come around to the chicken. This is how my chicken looks, and this is what I'm eating for breakfast. I'm eating grilled chicken, scrambled eggs, and a side of fruit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more cooking videos, go ahead and thumbs this up. I promise the quality of the videos will get better. I recorded this on my cell phone today, but I am going to have to go to the store and get another camera and memory card. Another memory card and cord for my camera. But definitely, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment below what meals you would like to see me cook. Alright, babes, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.